Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muklis Abdillah, name 500200051 from class 1A. I will present the process of making cooking oil from palm oil. My presentation entitled the process of making cooking oil from palm oil. Indonesia is one of the countries with a very large number of oil palm plantations. So, it can be said that Indonesia is one of the largest palm oil producers in the world, with an amount of 31.10 million tons produced per year. The process of making palm oil requires a strong press machine and hot water. In addition, in the process of making palm oil, it requires selecting good and ripe palm fruit. Cooking oil produced by palm oil is a type of vegetable cooking oil, which is considered to have high economic value. Step of the manufacturing process. 1. Oil palm fruit collection. At this stage, the ripe oil palm are taken. This process of taking is called the collection of fresh fruit bunches. Selection of fruit is needed to create good quality cooking oil. Once collected, the oil palm is brought to the mill. Then weigh it to see the oil capacity that will be produced. Step 2. Boiling oil palm fruit. After weighing it, the fruit is boiled using hot water steam with a pressure of 2.2 to 3 kg per centimeter. This boiling process takes 90 minutes. This boiling is useful for killing enzymes that will destroy the finished product of the oil. In addition, to make it easier when pressing the fruit to take the oil. Boiling the fruit also makes it easier to break the core of the fruit from the shell. Fruit that has been boiled will produce oil with a level of 0.5%. Step 3. Dressing of fruit. The fruit has been boiled, it becomes easier to fall off the stalk. How to knock the fruit off the stalk using the throwing method. After the fruit is knocked off the stalk, the fruit is put into the thresher machine. This machine serves to separate the fruit from the popcorn. The process of using this thresher machine takes time processing. This is so that the fruit is really clean from the stalk and popcorn. The result of this processing is the pulp that is peeled off and can be squeezed at a later stage. Step 4. Fruit squeeze. Before fruit is squeezed, you must first release the fruit seed from the pulp. This uses a steam process of between 80 and 90 degrees. After the fruit has been released from the seeds, the fruit is put into a compressing machine. At this stage, it requires additional heat of about 10 to 15% of the compressing machine capacity. The end result of this compression is crude oil, which is still mixed with fruit or fruit pulp. Step 5. Crude oil filter. The oil produced by compressing machine is crude oil. Therefore, to produce pure oil, this crude oil must be filtered first. In this process, crude oil is put into the crude oil tank. In this container, there is a sand filter that is in charge of separating the waste and oil. The waste collected in the filter will be processed again, because it still contains oil in this processing using a deplicator machine. In this process, hot water is needed to facilitate processing the dregs into oil. In this process, because it uses the help of water, the result that comes out is water mixed with oil. Step 6. Separation of oil from water. In this process, the oil that has been mixed with water must be separated. The separation process must be in sequence and in accordance with the existing oil content. Apart from that, it must match the phases of the oil. In the like phase, the content is oil, water, and the density of oil is stored in the continuous setting tank. Then the oil content will be brought to the oil tank. Meanwhile, the heavy phase containing oil, water, and heavy mass is collected in the sludge tank and then taken to the sludge separator to separate the oil and water. The end result of these two processes is oil, which is then purified. Step 7. Oil purification. Oil that has been separated from water is not 100 completely separated from water. It requires a refining process to completely remove the water in the oil. To be able to purify oil, the oil is brought into the vacuum dryer. The function of this machine is to remove water contained in the oil to a minimum value or below the threshold. After going through the vacuum dryer process, the oil that has become pure oil is put into the oil storage tank to be brought to the packaging section. Step 8. Deodorization. Furthermore, the process of removing odors and free fatty acids through a deodorization process. The oil is heated at a temperature of 265 degrees Celsius, and the vapor known as palm oil fatty acid distillate is separated. Step 9. Fractionation. At this stage, the finished oil is cooled. Step 10 or finished step, packaging. At this stage, the finished oil prepared oil. Question session. Question number 1. Why do oil palm fruit need to be boiled first? Question number 2. What are the characteristics of healthy oil palm? Answer question number 1. Why do oil palm fruit need to be boiled first? So that the threshing process of fruit is easier and completely detached from the stalk. Answer question number 2. What are the characteristics of healthy oil palm? Characteristic of healthy oil palm. 1. The leaves are shiny green. There is no dull color of the leaves. Also, there are no yellow spots or other substance on the surface of the tree leaves. 2. The diameter of the appearance of the stem from top to bottom looks the same, not like a bottle. 3. Front width and length are normal and do not shrink. 4. Flower and fruit formation as many as 12 to 24 fruit per year. 5. It is certain that a healthy tree is one that is free from pests and diseases.